Let's see, is this a start of a new trend reversal based on last week's price action? And I posted a video on last week, and as per my expectation, it happened in the same way. Let's review what I planned in last week and whether we can expect a reversal. And also let's see, is this a start of a new trend reversal on a bullish side or on the bearish side? Let's see that in details, and also let's mark the important levels and create our plan for Monday's trading session. First, let's mark the important levels based on Friday's price action. I'm going to remove these levels. I'm going to mark the new levels based on Friday's price action. Okay, that's all. I'm going to mark this as a new resistance level and support level, this one, and another support level is around here, or you can mark this like this entire zone, and there is one more support area. There you can consider these two levels as a zone, this level and this level combined as a zone, and this level and this level combined as a one zone. You can consider like that, and one more level is this one. That's all. These are the levels based on previous day's price action, and one more thing is you can consider this as a zone. Okay, let's create our plan and also see the higher time frame analysis, what we can expect in the next week. If you want to see daily market analysis videos, like the video and let me know in comments, because I'm getting a less views. I'm not getting the motivation to create the videos. If you wanted to see these videos and if you are getting benefited, like the video and let me know in comments. I'll create the videos from Monday onwards. Otherwise, I'll continue with my weekly analysis videos. Okay. On Monday, if Nifty opens inside this range, and also I will explain you whether I'm on a bullish side or on bearish side, which side to look for the opportunities. I'm going to explain everything later in the video. If Nifty opens inside this range, look for a breakout on this side or on this side. Even if this level breaks, you can take the trade after closing, and you can aim this as a first target. And from this point, 25,520 or 25,530 to 25,600, it is going to be 60 to 70 points move. You can easily capture, and after that you can wait for this as a second target, which is going to be 100 points move. You can easily aim. And next you should observe how Nifty is going to react around this level and around this level. If these levels are going to break decisively, you can wait for this target. If it's not going to break, and if there is any rejection and closes below these levels, you can exit the trade and book your profit or loss based on your position. That's one setup. And if it breaks on lower side, this level or both these levels, you can wait for this as a first target and this as a second target and this as a final target. You can wait for this trade, and if these levels break, if these levels are breaking, this level or this level, it is going to be around 25,470 or 25,460 or 25,450 also. From 25,450 to 25,340 or 330, which is going to be more than 100 plus points. 100 plus points, you can easily capture 80 to 100 points in this trade, and it is going to touch these points, 25,360 or 25,340 below levels. You can easily aim. From this point to this point, it is going to be easily 80 to 100 points. You can capture in this trade. And if it opens a gap down below this level, wait for a pullback towards this level or towards this level or towards the closing price and take the trade in the reversal. This low is going to be your first target, and you can aim this level as your second target. 25,360 level as your second target. That's all. If it opens a gap down, and if it opens a gap up above this level or above this level, wait for a pullback towards the closing price, take the trade in the reversal. If it opens a gap up above this level, you can take the trade in the breakout, and you can wait for a 100 points target. If it opens above this level, from your entry point, you can aim 100 points. And if it opens a gap up above this level, this high is going to be your first target, and you can aim this as a second target. That's all. These are the setups for Monday's trading session. And let's see higher time frame analysis and what we can expect next week. And last week what we planned, I am going to play video clip, and after that I am going to explain you what we planned and what happened. I'm going to play it for 30 seconds. Last week's video. This is a video that I posted on for 3rd November, and I posted last weekend after this candle closing. You can check it in the chart. Let's play this video. And Nifty closed around this low. If it's going to close below this low, we can expect a bearish momentum, but the price action is also bearish. What I'm expecting is I'm expecting a 50% retracement if this level is going to break. And if this 50% retracement level is also going to break, we can expect a move towards this low, towards this trend line. That's my plan. And on weekly time frame Okay, I hope you understood what I planned, and let's go to our chart and let's see. I said if Nifty is going to break this low, you can expect a 50% retracement. It touched exactly 50% retracement and bounced from this level, closed higher. From the 50% retracement level, I'm going to show you that levels, and if this level is going to break, you can expect a move towards this trend line. Towards this trend line, from this trend line, it may bounce. And if it's going to bounce from this point, we may expect a bounce from this level as well. That's what I planned. And it happened in the same way. It exactly touched this 50% retracement level and bounced from this point. Next week, what is going to happen? Let's plan that. And whether we can expect a bullish move or bearish move, let's plan that as well. And let me unhide these points. Let's see the 50% retracement level. Exactly Nifty bounced from this 50% level. From this low point to high point, it bounced exactly. It touched exactly this 50% level, and from this 50% level, it bounced. Next week, Nifty is going to break these levels. Let me remove this fib tool. Nifty is going to break this resistance levels. You can expect this as a reversal. And if Nifty is going to break this level, this 50% level, you can consider this as a reversal, trend change, and it is going to trade in this trend channel. And you can expect a target of this trend channel. And from this point, it may bounce or it may break this level. That is another scenario. For now, this is my plan. If it's going to break the resistance levels, you can expect this as a bullish move. If it's going to break these support levels and going to close below this level, the bullish move is over as per my scenario. And there is a one more point. It may bounce from 0.618 level as well. You can connect these points. I'm expecting a bounce from 0.5 level, but it may bounce from this level as well. 0.618 level as well, which is a possible thing after closing below this level, and it is going to touch this point and it may bounce from this point, or it may break down like this and it may close higher, something similar to this, and from bounce from that point as well. You should be ready for all these plans. Okay, I hope you are clear on this point. Let's go to weekly time frame and see what is happening. Let me hide these drawings. As per our plan, Nifty closed below this red candles, and as soon as this candle is formed, I said this is going to be reversal. If the low is going to break, we can see a reversal, and this low is broken. The next week it consolidated, and this week it closed below this level, and next week it may consolidate inside this range. It may not be able to break any side. It may consolidate in this range, and after that it may break this week's high or previous next week's high, and it may start continuing this move. And if this low is going to break in a next week's candle, we can see touching this trend line and bouncing from this point. It may bounce or it may not bounce. That's another scenario, but this is a possible scenario, touching this point. That's my plan for next week and tomorrow's trading session. If you want to see my daily market analysis videos, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in comment section if you wanted to see my analysis videos daily. Share this video with your trader friends so that they will also get awareness on what to expect in the next week or a next trading session, so that they can plan their trades as well. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.